Hello and welcome back, it's Mr. Chang here. Now, the wide variety of meat that makes this most appealing to the English and the Irish. First up, bangers, the quintessential Doherty's Irish breakfast sausage. Streaky bacon, a very thinly sliced part of the pork loin. Ideally, you want to cook this all in the same pan so that all the meat juices, veggies and eggs can intermingle. Clonakilty, black pudding or blood sausage, which is exactly what it is. White pudding. Now you want hotter and cooler spots for searing, finishing and keeping warm. The bacon when it's done can just hang out on the cooler part of the grill while the sausages continue to cook. We're going to make room for some butter and we're going to saute about 300 grams of cleaned and half button mushrooms. These mushrooms contain a lot of moisture, so we're going to have to cook them for 8 minutes. Over on the other side of the grill, we're going to start cooking some tomatoes. Here we have 2 tomatoes cut in 4 halves. Stack them up on top of the sausages. When they are done, we need to make room here for more stuff. Now, at any point you feel so inclined, you can add in your soda flowers. These simply take 2 minutes each side to fry. Once they are done, we're going to move them over to the other side of the grill and stack them high. This full English breakfast should be enough for one person, well, one medium to large person. We're just going to move these soda flowers over, stack them high, oil the pan a bit more. We want the potato bread to be nice and crispy. Cook this for about 3 minutes each side. When your potato bread is golden brown in colour and crispy, we're going to move that on over to the other side right beside the soda bread. We'll stack him up beside his next door neighbour. And now for my most favourite part of this recipe. Add in a generous amount of vegetable oil. This is my favourite part. And now for the eggs. Throw in 3 or 4 or 5 eggs, whatever you like yourself. This is only for one person, remember, so 3 is probably enough. A pinch of black pepper, and here comes the Heinz Baked beans. For the eggs, cook them whatever way you like. I know the majority of people like eggs sunny side up. It's just not for me. I prefer to cut them in half, flip them over and give them an extra few minutes so that they're not so runny. I don't like runny eggs. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment in the box below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow again with some Chinese food. Thank you.